Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be guiding you on how to get started on PixelTab Telegram mining. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, please do well to support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Card built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description box below. Thank you. Now let's get into today's video. PixelTab is a mini app built on Telegram by a Web3 gaming platform known as Pixelverse. The link to the Telegram bot will be dropped on the description box below. So when you click on the link, all you need to do is click on start. When you click on start, you see, hey, welcome to Pixelverse mini game, where you click battle and earn rewards. All you need to do is click on launch bot, click on start. So here's the interface of the game. Upon sign up, you'll be given 36,000 coins at the bottom. All you need to do is click on claim it. You can choose any crypto exchange you prefer at the top showing wallets. Click on it. You can choose your crypto exchange, Binance, OKX, Bybit, but the get go for me is Trust Wallet at the bottom. Let's click on Trust Wallet. Do you have a Trust Wallet account? Yes, I have. Write down your USDT ERC20 address to receive token. So let's get our USDT address from Trust Wallet. Open your Trust Wallet. Then all you need to do is search for USDT. Remember, we are using USDT on Ethereum blockchain. Click on the one at the top that is showing Ethereum. Click on it. Receive. Then copy your address. Let's go back to Telegram. Then paste the address you copied here. Made it. Gotcha. So you've connected your wallet already. So guys, on this interface, you can see your balance, you can see your daily income. You can claim your coins at any time, but mining stops when you don't claim for 8 hours. So you have just 8 hours to claim your coins. You can choose to tap or just claim. On the fight tab, you get to start a match with the opponent to earn points. Make sure you upgrade your pet, otherwise you'll be losing to your opponent and your points will be deducted. Here is how to upgrade your points. Just click on upgrade. Level up for 5,000. You can upgrade your points like that. Then here is how the fight is. Just click on fight. Starting in 4. Okay. What you need to do is tap in the circle. Tap, 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 tap. You see the percentage showing at the top. Mine is showing 91. My opponent is showing 89 now. So make sure yours is higher than your opponent's own. Click on tap, 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 tap. Make sure you upgrade your pets. Otherwise, you lose to your opponent. Victory. So you'll be rewarded with 4,000 coins. All you need to do, just if you want to play again, click on new game, but let's just exit. On the invite tab, you can earn 2,000 coins for inviting your friends, but if your friend have Telegram Premium, you get 10,000 coins. You can get 5% from their earnings and 1% from whoever they refer. So on the top, you get to see people who are referring the most users to the game, like the leaderboard. So on the rewards tab, you can log in daily to claim points. Like your first day you claim 10,000, your second day 20. That's how it works. And there's also a daily combo where you guess any 4 characters, then if it's correct you get 552,000 coins. There are tasks here you can perform to earn extra in-game points. Join Telegram and all that, join Twitter, join Discord. So that's all about this platform. So guys, at the top showing question mark, it shows you what the game is all about. Feed your bot each 8 hours and get reward, get percentage from your buddies and even their buddies. Fight for token supply with other players, and the more you win, the more percentage of token supply you get. So that's all about this part. I hope this video has been very helpful, guys. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. If you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section, as a team member will be available to answer your question. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in our next video.